Hey guys, Jason at Mustang Rehab. Today we're going to put on the end cap on the Bronco. We finally got the quarters pretty well mocked in place, basically with screws. So now we're going to attempt to get the end cap mated up to the quarter panel and get the fit as close as possible, because I've read a lot of people say these things can really be boogers, but we'll just try to spend some time with it and try to make sure that we really massage it and get it moved around as much as possible so we could use as little filler as we need to. So let's see how these things fit. Oh, again, this stuff is Dennis Carpenter this time, end caps, quarter panels and all that, so see how their fit is. Alright, first impressions, it looks pretty good. My biggest concern is it's going to be this radius, and how do we make it look decent when it meets up with the quarter panel and the lower quarter. I want it to be as close as possible. The way I go about this is just kind of start moving it around and trying to find where it fits close. I have to start at the top or the bottom. The overall height is right, the bottom feels good. What we'll do is I'm going to clamp it on the bottom and we'll start working. I had Johnny move over here because I'm always looking down the body, and right now it's sort of stuck in a little bit. See if we can. It's coming together. That's really close to start with, just finding a place to start with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes in here and try to put some screws in the seam and try to draw it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start where the metal's close and the metal kind of runs away. I don't know if you can see this right here, Johnny. Right in here, the metal's running away from the end cap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple screws, like maybe one right in here. I put one here and here and try to lock it in place, and then I'm going to get some wood in there and try to start pulling this metal out and get it to flex over there. Right now, it's poking out just a little bit right there. It's okay. I want to see if I can get that. It's pulled over now. Alright guys, I got to enlist Joni. She's going to have to double duty. You're going to get grease on you right there.
That's okay.
Pick up. Pick up. Alright, hold it right there. Oh, she's filming.
It must be easier with a stand.
Alright. It's right up here to kind of help level off your post. What I'll do is just use a block of wood. I'm going to do is beat all this up. Let's see. This is as tight as I could get it. I haven't attached this front edge yet. I think I would really rather do this when I have the tailgate on it. So in case I have to push in on this edge, it's got a bar right behind it. And I can do these tacks, but if you go in too deep with it, or if you go out a square with it, it might look bad. So I'm more concerned myself that right in here, you can see that little weird gap it's got in it. But without the tailgate on it, I'm not going to work that. We'll concern ourselves with the attachment points. We'll come around here and show them. This is our final fit, and that's for aftermarket parts. I have to say that actually fits really good. It's real workable. It's just right in here. This weird edge that these Broncos have. We'll have to do a little something there. Post some pictures of your Broncos. Show me these corners. See what I've seen them done all different ways, all blended out. I've got two other Broncos back here, and they're both done different. They don't look the same. So I'm not sure what exactly is the norm. I want to think people take Bondo and blend it as a repair after maybe a collision or rust. But you would think Ford would have did something different if you weren't supposed to have this lip here. I know it doesn't match the door or the end pillar, but I'm just thinking out loud. I'm wrong daily, Johnny tells me. So, but we'll see. I'll research it a little bit. But anyways, not so bad. Just take your time. I'll finish the passenger side just like I did this one. And so I think next video we should be into the tubs, trying to finish the floor out. But it's looking really good. Bronco is coming together. Sorry I'm not talking to you. I'm talking away to the shop and everybody else. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Bye.